Hello. Oh, I don't know what the intro is going to be. Okay.
So I woke up to a beautiful day. So I took myself on a little walk and a quick run to get the day started. Then after my shower, I did my skincare and makeup, and then I went to the kitchen for some breakfast. I put together an outfit that I thought looked smart but still cute. You know, you want to make a good first impression. And I was out the door by 8:20.
Finished my first day of my first civil engineering internship, finally. So yeah, that was a very interesting first day. I'm exhausted. Not because of the work, but more because of other things. So as soon as I arrived, I went into a meeting of a new upcoming project. So they're doing a meeting with the clients, the contractors and everything. And it's a tidal and energy project, and it's so cool, like all the information, like how it will be installed and when it will be installed, like the turbine, the water depth, and it was the maintenance. It was very interesting. Anyway, and then they talked about the compliance with the generators and the quality of energy that provides from there. So yeah, it was really cool. I think that was like, couldn't have gotten better in the sense that it was the first thing I did when I got there, and they said, oh sorry, we're just going to throw you in the deep end, but I think they told me like, oh, I think it's beneficial for you to attend the meeting. So I said okay, and it was all in person, so I was there in the meeting. After the meeting finished, they were like, okay, so now we're going to do the actual process. So you're going to sit with each of our like developers, and they're going to show you an overview of each of our clients that we have, each of our projects that we have ongoing. Then it's like a rewilding company. They do a lot of on-site things with them, which I'm actually going to go on site next week, so I'll be able to show you guys. So for example, a big civil engineering project has a big chain supply. So if they need one thing, they'll hire contractors for one thing, for the other. So what some people don't understand is that it's not one contractor who does everything. They have multiple contractors for multiple things. So this company is a rewilding one. So for example, I just hired them do all the rewilding around, or like in other areas. So for example, in a different farm. So because they have such a huge carbon footprint, they will hire a company so they could give back in a sense, like their impact is so big that they'll to plant trees or to do that kind of stuff. So that is quite cool. I know that in a few weeks they'll be constructing a dam, which is really cool. One cool one that I heard loads about is offshore energy. So wind turbines, and the massive, they have like billions and billions of dollar projects, which is so amazing. So I'll be hearing more about that tomorrow. Today I only got a little bit of an overview for my first day as I got thrown in the deep end. I think I understood quite a lot of it. Everyone in the office was very friendly. I think it's nice to be with this smaller company that does big projects like this, because you're not a tiny little fish doing something that's not important. And that's something that I discussed with the manager today. At the end of the day, we had a meeting to see, how I was, and how everything's going to be from now on, until the end of the internship. And yes, I was quite pleased. I feel like I'm quite a people person. I'll ask loads of questions, and I feel like they were quite happy with that. I'm very outgoing. Bear in mind that today I was very poorly because I had my second jab of the COVID vaccine yesterday. So I had fever overnight and I couldn't sleep because my body temperature was really high. So when I was there at the office on my first day, I was like trying to keep up, even though everything was so interesting. My body was like, my temperature was high and my body was like craving rest. So that was really hard. It was very challenging first day, but I really loved it, and I am looking forward to going tomorrow. Actually, because of my interests, I spoke to them about my final year project and how I'm thinking about changing my IP choice for my third year project. And I said I have a few options, and well, a dam and a wind turbine is one of one of my kind of top picks. So he already put me in to going on site next week basically, which is amazing because I was only supposed to go on site on the 4th week, but now I'll be going on site, which is fun. Do you know what I mean? You shouldn't only be in the office, you should have like fun days out on site. Because let's be honest, we're not going to be doing the hard work, we're going to be supervising, we're going to be understanding, etc. And for me, this is what I'm here for, to understand what's going on site. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to it.
Thank you so much for watching this video. Today was just a very quick overview, but I look forward to filming more the more I learn. Please support me by liking and subscribing. Thank you.